2014. A pipe of 30 centimeter long and open at both the ends produce harmonics. Which harmonic mode of pipe resonates at 1.1 kilohertz? Given speed of sound in air is, this is an open pipe. Open pipe, frequency of oscillation is V by 2L, and F1 is to F2 is to F3 is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Now we have to find N. Therefore F equal to N times V by 2L. We have to find N. N is F2L by V. Frequency is 1.1 kilohertz 10 power 3. 2 times length is 0.3 meter by speed is 330. Now this can be written as 3.3 10 power 2. This one, this 3, this is 0.1, 10 power 3, 10 power minus 1 is 10 power 2, 10 power 2, it cancels, equal to 2. So it should be second harmonic. In anomalous expansion of water, at what temperature density of water is maximum? See, this is a graph of volume versus temperature. Okay, if temperature of water increases, then volume first decreases and then increases. So that is why the density, if it's a graph of density versus temperature, density first increases, and this temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, and this is also 4 degrees Celsius. So density is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. An aeroplane executes horizontal loop at a speed of 720 km per hour. 720 km per hour is nothing but 200 meter per second. Okay, 720 into 5 by 18 turns out to be 200. What is the radius of the loop? Banking is 45 degree. Therefore, if an object is bent, suppose road, cyclist, if the cyclist, this is tire of the cycle, if cycle is bent, then this is mg, this is r reaction, this is r cos theta. So r cos theta balances mg, and r sin theta provides the necessary centripetal force. R sin theta equal to mv square by r. Divide both sides, r get cancels, tan theta equal to v square by rg. This is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 equal to v square by rg. Therefore radius of the circular path is v square by g. V square is 200 by g. G is 10. So they should be 4,000 meter, which is 4 kilometer. Next question. A body having a moment of inertia about its axis of rotation equal to 3 kg meter square is rotating with an angular velocity of given. Kinetic energy of this rotating body is same as that of a body of mass. Fine. So kinetic energy of rotation is half I omega square, which is equal to half mv square. So this is linear kinetic energy, this is rotational kinetic energy. It is given linear kinetic energy is same as the rotational kinetic energy. Half get cancels, moment of inertia is 3, angular velocity is 3 square equal to mass of the body is 27 kg into v square. This get cancels with this, therefore v equal to plus or minus 1. A cycle tire bursts suddenly. What is the type of this process? If it is sudden expansion or sudden compression, then it is adiabatic. If it is slow expansion or slow compression, then it is isothermal. An object is placed at 20 cm from a concave mirror, produces 3 times magnified real image. What is the focal length of the concave mirror? See, it's a real image, magnification is 3 times. We get this information. If this is a concave mirror, this is an object. For magnified real object, the object should be between focus and the center of curvature. Okay. Object distance is 20 cm. Therefore, focal length should be, this is focal length. Focal length should be less than 20 cm. All are less than 20 cm. So we have to work it out. Now, magnification is minus v by u. Since it is 3, therefore magnitude of v equal to 3 times u. Magnitude of v equal to 3 times u. Next, mirror formula says 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Since all distances are towards left, all distances are taken with negative sign. Okay. So we want focal length 1 by v. Object distance is 20 cm. If object distance is 20, image distance is 60 cm. This is 1 by v minus 60 plus 1 by u minus 20 is 1 by f. We have to simplify this. Minus 1 by 20 common factor, it is 1 by 3 plus 1, which is minus 1 by 20. This is 4 by 3. Therefore, f equal to 414. It is 4 by 3. Yes, 4145. 53 15. It is minus 15 centimeter. A focal length of a lens is 10 centimeter. What is the power of the lens in diopter? Power equal to 1 by focal length. This is 10 centimeter. It should be 0.1 meter. Therefore, 1 by 0.1 is 10 diopter. The trap is power equal to 1 by focal length. Many students will take like this 0.1 diopter, and this is wrong. 0.1 diopter is also there. A microscope having objective focal length, eyepiece focal length, tube length, image formulated distance distinguishing. This is a grace question. Fringe width of certain interference pattern, what is the distance? This is also incomplete. Grace. Diameter of objective of a telescope is 200 centimeter, nothing but 2 meter. What is the resolving power of a telescope? Resolving power equal to 1.22 lambda by small d. Okay, small d is diameter. This is 2 by 1.22. Lambda is 5 10 power minus 7. 5000 angstrom is nothing but 5 10 power minus 7. So this 1, this 0.4, 10 power 4, 0.4 can be written as 4 into 10 power 7, 10 power 6 by 1.22. 4 by 1.22 means this ratio is less than 4. Less than 4 is this with 10 power 6. 10 power 6. We don't have to calculate each and everything. Okay. We can guess based on the options. A polarizer light of intensity I naught is passed through another polarizer whose pass axis makes an angle 60 degree. Intensity of emergent light. If this is a Polaroid, this is the incident light. After the Polaroid, if intensity is I naught, and this is second Polaroid which makes an angle 60 degree with respect to the first Polaroid, what is this intensity? Mala's equation says I naught cos square theta. I naught is I naught, cos theta is 60, cos 60 is half, half square is 4, so it is I naught by 4. What is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated through a potential difference of 100 volt? Since it is electron, we can use this equation for de Broglie wavelength. 12.27 10 power minus 10 by root V. Okay, this equation is true only for electron. Since it is 100 volt, root of 100 is 10. 12.27 10 power minus 10. All are in angstrom, therefore let us keep this. This becomes 1.227 angstrom. 1.227 angstrom. Maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons depends only on, it doesn't depend on potential, it doesn't depend on incident, it depends on the frequency, pressure, because E equal to work function plus kinetic energy. Energy is h nu, work function is constant for the given material, maximum kinetic energy. Okay, so kinetic energy depends on frequency. Which of the following spectral series of hydrogen atom is lying in visible range of an electromagnetic wave? It is Balmer series. Lyman is in UV, Balmer is in visible, Paschen, IR, and so on. What is the energy of the electron revolving in third orbit expressed in eV? Energy is given by minus 13.6 by n square. So these are the energy level diagram. Ground state n equal to 1, minus 13.6, minus 3.4, minus 1.51. So this is 1.51. Or substitute n3, you will get 1.51. The relation between half-life and decay constant. Half-life is given by 0.693 by lambda. This 0.693 is nothing but log of 2 to base e. This is T lambda. Simple arrangement. Force between two protons is same as force between proton and neutron. The nature of the force is, it should be strong nuclear force. If it is charge independent, it is electrostatic. Since it is charge independent, it should be nuclear. Since it is within the nucleus and it is between proton, 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 neutron, it should be strong nuclear force. In a n-type semiconductor, electrons are majority charge carriers, but it does not show any negative charge. The reason, electrons are stationary, need not be. Electrons neutralize with holes. Mobility of electrons is extremely small. Atom is electrically neutral. This is more appropriate. For the given digital circuit, we write the truth table and identify logic gate it represents. This is an AND gate. Sorry, NOT gate. This is NOR gate. But when inputs are shorted, it becomes NOT gate. A is A bar, B is B bar. So this is NOR gate. Sum of these two, A bar plus B bar and with bubble whole bar. This can be written as A bar bar, this plus becomes into B bar bar, nothing but A, complement to complement, or bar bar is nothing but A and B. So it becomes A and B. A into B is nothing but AND gate. If you are not sure about solving this type by this method, then you can give values and find. Like, write the truth table. A, B, this is C, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 gives 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 plus 1 0. So this is 0. You give 0 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 plus, sorry, 1 plus 0, 0, its complement is 1. Sorry, 0 1 1 0, sum of these two is 1, its complement is 0. This is 0. This is also 0. Now both are 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 plus 0 is 0, complement is 1. So this is 1. So this truth table is for AND gate, therefore you can go to AND gate. Okay. 35. If alpha current gain of a transistor is 0.98, what is the value of beta? Alpha should be less than 1 and beta should be greater than 1, and greater than 1 usually from 50 to 500. So very close to that, 49. Among these four we can guess the option. Also beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha is the relation between alpha and beta. Alpha is 0.98, this is 1 minus 0.98, 0.98 by 0.02, so it is 49. A tuned amplifier circuit. Tuned amplifier circuit is used to generate a carrier frequency, something the value of root LC. Don't worry about tuned amplifier. Frequency of an oscillator is 2 pi root LC. They are asking root LC this side, frequency that side. It is 1 by 2 pi frequency. Frequency is nothing but 2 megahertz, 10 power 6. 2 to 4, it is 1 by 4 pi 10 power 6. If a charge on the body is 1 nanocoulomb, then how many electrons are present on the body? It is based on quantization, n into E. Okay. So n equal to Q by E. Q is nano, E is 1.6 10 power minus 19. 1 by 1.6, 1 by 1.6 is nothing but 0.625 10 power. This ratio is 10 power 10. Two equal opposite charges of masses m1 m2 are accelerated in a uniform electric field through the same distance. What is the ratio of their accelerations if their masses, if the ratio of their masses is m1? This mass into acceleration is force. So mass is inversely proportional to acceleration, or acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. Since m1 by m2 equal to 0.5 is given, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 0.5, which is 2. What is the nature of Gaussian surface involved in Gauss law? Scalar magnetic electric vector. Gaussian surface is not a physical quantity, so we can't decide. It is grace. What is the electric potential at a distance of 9 cm from 3 nanocoulomb? Assume this to be a point charge. For a point charge, potential is constant Q by R. This constant is 9 10 power 9. Charge is 3 nano minus 9 by distance is 9 centimeter, 10 power minus 2. 9 9 get cancels, this 2 get cancels, 300.